So inside of bricks, we've got an example header here. We got a section with 2 containers. The heading is in container 1, and we got icon list and nav menu in container 2. But what if we want to hide the icon list when we get to the mobile? Now on the mobile at the moment, it looks like this. Let's go to container 1. Let's go to style, and let's make this be 50% in width. And let's go to container 2, and let's also make that be 50% width like that. Now, if we go back to the section and the content, this is set as a row. So let's get everything onto one line. Let's go to container 1, go to the width and set that to be 50%. Let's go to container 2 and also set that to be 50%. Now everything is quite nicely in one line over there. But I still don't want the social sharing icons, or whatever you want to call them, the icon list visible at all. Here's the trick. We go over to the icon list, okay? We go to the icon list. You scroll down. You're in the style tab, by the way. You scroll down until you get to miscellaneous. And the display is defaulted to flex. We're going to set that to be none. That will now be invisible. However, if you now go to the desktop, it hasn't disappeared for you, but if it had disappeared, stay on the icon list, go down to miscellaneous and make sure that is basically, so let's say it looked like this. Just ensure there is nothing in there. So if I now save this, okay, and we basically switch over to the mobile, it's not there, right? We go over to the desktop, it is there. Now you might have to check this out. So on the tablet, it is visible. On the mobile landscape, it is still visible. But you could go into here. So if I was to go in here and put none, it is now no longer visible. Please excuse how rubbish this looks because I haven't done the layout or anything like that. But just focusing on the mobile and the desktop, you can show whatever you want and then responsively hide it away from when you get to certain breakpoints. I hope that helps you out with responsively hiding elements or widgets, whatever you want to call them. I'm Imran Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share and follow. I'll see you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.